God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in Him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. With this beautiful prayer, I wish you all a very good morning. So, students, today I am going to explain chapter 6, Our Universe. So, all of you all take out your textbook, page number 185. And I will be explaining it to you step by step, so listen carefully. So, the sky above us looks beautiful. Isn't the sky beautiful, students? Then, what do you see in the sky in the morning and at night? So, during the morning in the sky, we see the sun, and at night, we see the moon and the stars. So, with this, the sky looks beautiful during the day and the night. Now, what is a universe? Our universe, the earth, the sky, the moon, and many stars make our universe. So, what is a universe? The earth, the sun, the moon, and many stars make our universe. Okay? With all this, four: the earth, the sky, the moon, and stars, with all this together makes our universe. Okay, now I will be explaining to you about the earth. So, the earth is a planet. Now, a planet is a celestial body, means a natural body outside the earth atmosphere. The planet is a very large round object in space that moves around the sun or another star. So, that is called a planet. So, the earth is a planet. It is round like a ball. It spins slowly round and round, and it goes around the sun. So, students, you can see that the earth is a planet and it is like a ball of fire. Okay? It is like a ball of fire. It is round like a ball and it spins slowly round and round. It goes around the sun. Then the earth is much smaller than the sun. You can see over here, no? The earth is smaller than the sun. Then people, plants and animals live on the earth. You can see in this picture that people, animals and plants live on the earth. Then the earth has air and water. You can see over here in this picture that the earth has air and water. And the earth gets light and heat from the sun. So, students, have you understood about the earth? That the earth is a planet. It is round like a ball. It goes or it spins slowly around and round. It goes around the sun. The earth is much smaller than the sun. People, plants and animals live on the earth. The earth has air and water, and the earth gets light from the sun, heat from the sun. So over here you can see that the earth is smaller than the sun. Okay, you can see over here in this picture that the earth is smaller than the sun and the earth gets light and heat from the sun. Okay. Now I will explain about the sun. Now the sun is a star. It is a very big ball of fire. It gives us light and heat. The sun looks small because it is far away from the sun. You can see that the sun looks small because it is far away from the earth. So you can see the sun looks smaller because it is far away from the earth. Then in the early morning we see the sun in the east. This is known as sunrise. Okay? In the morning, जब morning होता है तो we see the sun in the east. So it is known as sunrise. When the sun rises, it is daytime. Then we see the sun in the west in the evening. अभी sun को हम लोग west में कब देखते हैं? When do we see the sun in the west? In the evening. So it is called sunset. When the sun sets, it is night. So when the sun sets, it is night. You can see. Then the sun helps us to tell the time. It helps us to find directions. The sun helps us to tell the time. Sun जो है हमें time भी बताते हैं and we can find different directions. Then do all of you all now go to page number 187. Okay, now do you know what will happen if the sun does not shine? Okay, अगर sun shine नहीं करेगा तो क्या होगा? What will happen if the sun will not shine? Everything would be dark and cold. All the waters will turn into ice. So all the water will turn into ice. Okay, if everything would turn dark, अगर सब कुछ dark हो जाएगा और cold, तो क्या होगा? जो पानी है वो बर्फ जैसा बन जाएगा. Okay, it will turn like ice. Then everything, the trees, the plants and the animals and all, they will all not get any food. So trees and plants will die and animals would not get any food. Okay, so you can see over here the animal over here, and animal cannot get any food because it is turned dark and cold and everything is died. There are no trees and plants, so the animals and all don't have any food. We have a wonderful and beautiful world because the sun shines. So students, because the sun shines, that's why we have a wonderful and beautiful world, because with the help of the sun, it stays warm and it is not cold, because if it is dark and cold, then everything will turn into ice, the trees will die, there would be no food for anyone. But with the help of the sun, the world looks beautiful, and also there is day and night. Okay, there is a difference of day and night. Okay students, now I will explain about the moon. We see the moon in the sky at the night. Okay, so all of you all know that we see the moon in the night. It is round like the earth. Okay, जैसे earth है, how the earth is round, same way the moon is also round. Now the moon is smaller than the earth. You can see in this picture that the moon is smaller than the earth. Okay, the earth is bigger and the moon is smaller. The moon does not have light of its own. The moon does not have its own light. Okay, जो light है वो moon के पास light नहीं होता है. It does not have its own light. It gets light from the sun. Okay, students, the moon does not have light of its own. It gets light from the sun. The side of the moon that gets sunlight is bright, and the part that does not get light is dark. Okay, students, now I will explain about stars. So, stars are like the sun. Okay, stars are like the sun. The sun is a star that is closer to the earth than other stars. Stars are big balls of fire. Many stars are bigger than the sun. Okay, so you can see over here the sun looks smaller than the stars. Some stars look big and some stars are small. Then they look small because they are very, very far away from us and even from the sun. Okay, the stars, जो stars है वो बहुत दूर है. They are very, very far because they are even far from the sun. Okay, so that's why we cannot see the stars. We can see them very, very small in the sky because they are far from us and even from the sun. So the stars, you can see them only at night. Okay, we can see the stars only at night. You cannot see the stars during the day because of the strong light of the sun. So जो मून और स्टार्स है वो स्काई में होता ही है, लेकिन जो सन है उसका हीट, उसकी लाइट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, इसलिए हमको मून और स्टार्स डे में दिखाई नहीं देते हैं. वी कैन ओनली सी देम ड्यूरिंग द night. Okay, so we cannot see the stars during the day because of the strong light of the sun. You cannot see the stars during the day because of the strong light of the sun, correct? Then there are millions and millions of stars in the sky. Okay, millions and millions of stars in the sky means there are large amount. Okay, there is large amount, बहुत सारे stars हैं. Okay, millions of stars in the sky. So all of your students have understood that the earth, the sun, the moon and millions of stars make up our universe. Okay, so our universe is made with the earth, the sun, the moon and millions of stars. Okay, so all of you all have understood the lesson. With this we end today's session. May God bless you day with happy thoughts. So stay home, stay safe and thank you.